now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
And then let me.
I think.
You find them?
Because look at there's like.
This is Sea Lion leader Aniston Johnson with this week's announcements. Welcome back, Sea Lions. I hope you had a restful Memorial Day weekend with your family. Let's make these last 2 weeks the best they can be. The Seal Beach PD is back with the Safety SEAL program. They will be working with classes from Tuesday through Friday. 3rd grade is going on a walking field trip to visit the Chamber of Commerce. Be safe and have fun. McGaw will be celebrating the HSA winners on Wednesday at 9 a.m. Thank you for your service. Popsicles are being served on Wednesday at 1:10 p.m. to all classes that recently reached 160 Robux. Congratulations! The Seek auction winners are going bowling with Miss Wood and Mr. Larson on Wednesday afternoon.
Strike!
The film festival is back. Grades 2nd through 5th will join the principals on Thursday at 1:05 p.m. in the auditorium. Have fun! The final Sea Lion Award ceremony is on Friday. Way to go, Sea Lions! Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week!
We got a Robux.
High five. Yeah. Nice.
UTK.
And now it's time to celebrate the raw behavior of McGaw's best students. Today, we're going to celebrate UTK student Simone Odike. Instead of arguing, Simone chose to let another friend have something that they both wanted. Thanks for being so flexible. Way to go.
Kindergarten.
Next up, we're going to celebrate kindergarten student Judah Torres, who got 4 Robux in 1 week. Mrs. Sizemore says that Judah is the best helper. He loves to help in any way that he can, and 4 Robux in a week is evidence that he cares about the school. Thanks so much, Judah.
1st grade.
Ms. Cruz wants to celebrate 1st grader Cole Alvarado. She said Cole was engaged in participating in all of the songs. Very, very well. Thanks, Cole.
2nd grade.
Mrs. Lyons wants to celebrate 2nd grader Skylar Koski. She said Skylar has only been at McGaw for a few weeks but is making great strides and always follow the raw rules. Way to go, Skylar.
3rd grade.
Mrs. Lisa wants to celebrate 3rd grader Jack Archibald. She said, "Thank you, Jack, for giving up your ball so that others could play a game. We appreciate you and your flexibility."
4th grade.
Mrs. Cruz wants to celebrate another 4th grade musician, Madeline Arizon. She said Madeline was focused and had great ideas for the group project. Way to go.
5th grade.
And finally, we want to celebrate 5th grader from Mrs. Wallace's class, Billy Haney. She said that Billy saw a huge mess in the handball courts and took some time to go get help. Way to go. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.